Okay, guys, so I got this piece of walnut we cut. Let's see, 2 inches thick. I'll make a little table out of this. More of a workbench table. Look at this. Gotta get that cleaned up, but I just got done planing it. As much as I am going to plane it. This side's gonna be up. I'm gonna clean it out. Let's see. It's heavy. I did just cut it just thick enough to keep that knot piece there solid. Take the bark off of it and get it cleaned up. That's where we're at right now. Black walnut. Howdy guys, I decided to fast forward some of this right here because it was about 12 minutes long of me just kind of cleaning up the edges, and I intended to keep the piece there. I'm working on that almost there, but it was actually beyond savable. It was rotten, and I was kind of sad to see it go, but here in a minute you'll see I decided to whack it out of there because it was rotten. But I hope everybody's having a good day, and we'll get back to the video in just a minute and at normal speed. Peace out, guys. Guys, we're gonna, I may have to go get some pair of pliers to get that. Get that lid loose. Yeah, I will. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh, yeah. That is pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh. Man. It's 2 inches thick. Black walnut. I don't know if I'm going to make a table or if I'm going to... I think I'm going to turn this into a countertop. Just, man. Look at this. Somebody look. That's pretty. I know the camera don't do it near like it should do it. Yeah. Wow. Let's see. Oh no, yeah, she's doing pretty good though. That's pretty. That's a pretty.